M&T's vision is very clear now. I think at one time, before digital printing, it was very difficult to understand what the future was going to be, where we're going to go, what direction to go in. It's made our vision very clear in our operation because we see the future. The future is web to print, and organizations, our clients, are demanding it now because it is available to them. It used to be very difficult for me to walk into a facility, or a client I should say, to talk about print because there was all kinds of printers that they could go to. I walk in and I can talk about something different, and I look at the scenario and I'm able to sit down with my customer and discuss the whole process of what are you ordering, why are you ordering it, how are you getting order, what are the different pieces that they get involved in today. The Xerox technology has made it really easy for me because of the FreeFlow application with the imposition and then right to the iGen to get printed immediately. It's made my life that much easier. And when I walk into a client and sell the service that we have today from web to print, that's a selling tool that's made my life that much easier. Realistically, you're looking at a 5-day turnaround on a business card order. And we went through this process, and at times we're saying, why are we doing these business cards?
Customer service would show up with a job into graphic design, and graphic design would open up the job, make sure that all the fonts were included, graphics were included, and there was a proof from the customer that we could match the two together to make sure what we were going to output was going to match the customer's job. From there, the customer would see a proof off of our system before we'd run the job.
Clients in web to print can go online, they view their product, they accept or reject it because if it's not right to their specifications, they can go back and make the changes. They view it online to the final stages, they submit it. Once it's been submitted, it goes through the Xerox Process Manager.
Now with Process Manager, we're able to drop files into a hot folder, and Process Manager will do everything from imposition straight through to submitting it to the print engine. The biggest advantage of the Process Manager was that it cut our time to get a job to our digital engine from 3 days down to 8 seconds, which has just been unbelievable. Our head graphic designer looked at it and thought it was going to replace her. Instead, what it's done is it has enabled her to carry on her position into vastly more involving projects, do them quicker, do them more accurate. That's been very impressive.
So now we want to be in this world. We want to produce business cards, whereas one time we said we don't want to be involved in it.
One of the exciting things I've found about M&T Printing Group is the different directions we're able to go with Process Manager. It's opened up so many windows and opportunities now that every time we bring a new customer on board, we look at it and we say, how can we apply Process Manager for that customer to get their job through faster, quicker, more accurate?
With digital and the digital world today, the growth that we're going to see, the potential growth, is enormous. With Xerox's help, with the DocuText and the iGen, and the big point is the workflow using Process Manager. It's opened a ton of doors for us.
To see the possibilities that this has opened up for us is it's opened the market up. Every day we come into work, we say, you know, we could use that for anything. It's unlimited.
It's made it possible for us to get more jobs off, quicker jobs off, and able to take more jobs on. So now the jobs and the potential is huge. The big thing is we can do a lot more because we're seeing our growth, not just a 5% increase. We're looking at 50% jumps in our business. Using Xerox as a partner in our organization is very valuable for us because they do come through with the new technology. They back the technology, which is very important, but they always come through both as a service level but also as a sales force to make sure that we have the latest, the best, and the product that makes sense to our industry.